Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurhuda Atira binti Abdullah, and here I am going to show and explain regarding the questions that involve the chapter 4. So here are the list of the questions that will be our discussions in this video. Now let's take a look for the first question. In question A, the question asks, find the sampling distribution of W and state its parameter. Here we have to find the distribution of W by using MGF technique. As we know, the technique to find new distribution have 3 different techniques, but MGF is the simplest and easiest one. So, what would be the steps that leads to the solution? Let's take a look. Here are the steps to find the distribution of W. First, we have to find MWT equals to expected to the value of ETW. Next, we substitute the W. After we substitute the W, we taking out the constant, and at the same time, we knew that summation of yi equals to y1 plus y2 plus until yn. So, it could be written as expected e to the power of 4t over theta y1 plus y2 plus until yn. After we taking out the constant, we expand the equation. So we expand, it could be look like this. So it could be written as moment. So what is the variable in this question? We knew that the variable in this question is y1, y2 until yn. So we write the moment as moment y1 4t over theta multiplied with moment y2 4t over theta until multiplied with moment yn 4t over theta. After that, we take a look to the question again. Well, the question were given gamma distribution for moment y, which is 4 2 minus theta t. So here we have to substitute to the gamma distribution. After we substitute, we must simplify, and we get 4 2 minus 4t to the power of negative 2n. After that, we simplify more until we get 1 minus 2t to the power of negative 4n over 2. Now that we can write the new distribution of W, which is W follows chi-square and 4n as the degree freedom. As for question B, the question asks to construct a confidence interval for theta. So for this question, the first step is we have to construct the equation like this, which is P and W is between chi-square 1 minus alpha over 2, and our degree freedom is 4n, and the other side is chi-square alpha over 2, and our degree freedom is equals to 4n, and we equals to 1 minus alpha. After that, we substitute the W, which is 4 over theta summation y. After we substitute the W, we move the 4 summation y and leave only 1 over theta at the center. The next step is we have to switch the denominator and numerator, as we want to find the confidence interval like this. Next, we move to the last question. If summation y equals to 220, find a 98% confidence interval for theta. So for this question, we should refer to the answer of question B. So after we refer to the answer of question B, we can now substitute the value of summation y, which is 220, and also we knew that n is equals to 7. After we substitute all the values, we should refer to the table. From the table, chi-square 0.01 and the degree freedom of 28, we get 48.278, while chi-square of 0.99 with a degree freedom of 28, we get 13.565. After we calculate, we get the answer, which is 18.2278 and 64.8728.